In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to set Samsung Wallet shortcuts to Samsung S25 Ultra, S25, S26 Ultra, and other Galaxy phone. Whether you're new to Samsung Wallet or upgrading to a new Galaxy device, this guide will help you get started quickly and securely. If you want a Samsung Wallet shortcut on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or other device, you have two easy options. Method 1. Enable Samsung Wallet Swipe Up Shortcut. Open Samsung Wallet. Tap 3 vertical dots or menu in the top right corner. Tap Settings. Select Quick Access and Default Card. You can see Swipe Up Gesture and Side Button settings to quickly access Samsung Wallet. Tap Swipe Up Gesture to choose where you want quick access from the lock screen, home screen, or screen off. Just toggle it on. Just swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access Samsung Wallet from lock or home screen. Unlock your phone to make a payment. Method 2. Set Side Button as Samsung Wallet. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap Side Button. Tap Double Press and choose a Quick Launch Samsung Wallet. Now double press the side button to quickly access the Samsung Wallet to your Galaxy phones. Now you can open Samsung Wallet instantly whenever you need it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra tips and tutorials.